So Canva is a very popular type of photo and video editor, but it's also a really cool application that allows you to go ahead and design a lot of stuff. So it's really cool. I really enjoy this type of application. It also allows you, like there's a website component as well, just canva.com, so you can jump into there as well. So I'll show you exactly how to use it. This is what the application looks like. So if you want to just jump into the application, you can also do that. But like I said, the website is also basically the same thing. Now, when you install it, it's going to tell you to log into your particular account. So create an account, log in, or you can also just go through and you can essentially just, make a, standard sample account. And then it's going to ask you a few more questions to personalize it. And then you'll come into the Canva application. Now, in the top left, you'll basically see these 3 lines. If you tap on it, it's basically just like a menu icon. So it tells you a little bit more information. It can give you an access if you want to jump into buy the Pro option, your brand, apps, Canva AI, other things, even your trash will go and show up right here. You have this little box right here. So it allows you to just, search up templates for your Canva application. So this is something that's really cool because you can just kind of go through and start kind of like messing around and start kind of, creating some templates or searching for templates that are already there. You have this little layout right here, which allows you to have these quick toggles of kind of designing a template or designing, just going straight into something if you want to go and kind of do it that way. Now scrolling down, you also have some standard templates for Instagram posts. So if you want to kind of start creating an Instagram post template, you can just use one of these existing templates and just kind of build out your project that way. You have some presentations here, some templates you can borrow, some story templates and invitations. There are so many things across the board. So no matter what you want to do, there's probably something for you here, and you can just kind of go through and just kind of jump around and do whatever you want to do. And that is the option that you basically have here. Once you're ready, you can choose a template like this. It'll jump into their template editor, and you can just start designing it. Right? So you can tap on an image here if you want to go ahead and edit it, replace it, delete it. You have these toggles down here that allow you to edit up your photo and your templates here as well. So it is actually very cool. And whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and download this template or this photo and share out this photo just like that. Now in this case, I'll go ahead and go back. So I'll go back into the home page by tapping up here, and I will tap back home. Now the bottom has a couple of tabs that you probably should know about. So for one, you have the home tab. It always takes you home. You have your projects tab. So any projects that you currently work on, it'll show all those projects right here. So you can kind of quickly just jump here. You can just kind of see different projects and different designs that you've recently done. So that is the option that you have there as well. You have this plus button here. If you want to just jump in and start creating more templates and different things like that, you can go ahead and start creating any of these new things, a new presentation. You can just search for what you'd like to do. And I think their Canva AI thing will allow you to kind of just get an idea of what you want to kind of make. So that is an option that you have here as well. Tap on the X button. You also have this templates option here, which allows you to kind of see these templates that are currently available. So like I said before, this is a very big template type of application. So you can go and find more information from here for these templates. And then you can tap on the Pro button if you want to go and buy the Pro option. So it's totally up to you. But that is that. That's basically how you use Canva. It's a really cool application. It allows you to search throughout different templates, search your content, search through AI, and it is a really cool app at the end of the day. So that's basically how you use Canva. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.